सोनारी धरती है जठ चांदी आसमां रंग रंगीला रस भरियो मारो प्यारा
Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 13th of Feb and currently the time is around 6 o'clock in the morning and we are here at the Some Sand Dunes. So today is our day 2 here at the Lee Royal Resort and we are early, we have woken up early today because we are going to catch the sunrise. So in the last video I told you all right that we hadn't done the camel ride and all. So we decided to do the camel ride early in the morning during the sunrise hours. So we are all ready and set to go and we're now just waiting for our ride to come. So it will come at around 6:30. So we are waiting and then we'll move from here. So it's 7:20 at the moment and we are back here in the desert. Okay, and at first before leaving we thought our ride is going to be a jeep, like a jeep is going to bring us here and here we are going to be doing the camel ride. But the guy came knocking and was like chalo ride ready hai, and then we came out and 2 camels there and we were like jeep kahan hai? It's like नहीं camel पे ही चलना है. My goodness, and they make 2 people sit on 1 camel. Okay, so with that camel ride we were like holding on to the camel that seat so tight that we did not record much, and I was the one sitting in the front, so I was the one who was holding it very tightly. आपको मेरे ख्याल से उतना नहीं लगा होगा.
And I was the pillion rider.
मैं तो मैं तो ऐसे सो गई.
मेरे हाथ में तो बैकपैक था इतना हैवी, मेरे को तो और ज्यादा और कुछ पकड़ने को नहीं था. मुझे तो लगा ऊँटने कुछ करवट या खुजाया ऐसे से तो मैं तो नीचे पहुंच जाऊंगा बैग लेके. मैं वो बीच में ना घूं ऐसे करके कुछ तो कर रहा था. मैं कहीं के गुस्से में ना हो जाए. And show your audience that couple is there. How many?
So yeah, I'll just show all the whole view, and there are so many camels here. So this is the point where we have come to catch the sunrise. It's not yet happened. The timing was of 7 o'clock. It's 7:30 and you see there is so many camels here. Okay, and you see these are the seats that are put on the camel hump. The camels here, they are like they have kept their feed and all. And there's also a couple who are camping here. They did night camping and we asked them and they said the experience was like amazing and it was not even cold, they said, but we felt a bit cold.
The house is there, see?
And there what you'll see is actually a house and people literally live there. One house is there and one is there, and look at them enjoying the jeep ride early in the morning.
That came, yeah.
The kid is screaming for his life, I think. So that camel sitting alone.
Lucky. His name is Lucky.
Yes, his name was Lucky. So that's him.
Yeah, this one.
Yep, he is the one we were riding on.
वो उधर सामने. हाँ. कितने लोग हैं चल फिर रहे हैं. उधर जीपें हैं, उधर टेंट हैं, उधर बहुत लोग हैं. उधर है हाँ जीप सफारी सब. वो देखो उधर भी हैं. वो देखो उधर पूरी लाइन वो जीप सफारी की है. हाँ.
So a coincidence again. So we were just clicking up few pictures, and the people who ride these camels told us that this camel which you all are seeing was the one who won the camel race yesterday. Look at him. So it's 8:30 at the moment, and we are done with the camel ride and now back here at the resort. So there behind is the camel on which we were. Okay, and this ride was like for about we reached there at around 7:30, and now we are back here at a resort at 8:30. So almost one and a half hour something the ride was. Okay, this is including everything, the ride, the time we stayed there and all that. So yep, now let's freshen up and then we'll go to have breakfast. So the time right now is 9 a.m. and we have freshened up and now we are going to have breakfast. So let's see what menu they have. I'll show it. So now we are going to have a breakfast. Okay, I'll show you all the menu and all. So we had bread, butter jam, then some fruits, poha, chole, this was curd, some oats, then idli sambar was there, and then cornflakes and all. Okay, puri and aloo paratha, tea, coffee and watermelon juice was their menu for today's breakfast. So at the moment I'm here on the top, okay, and I'm just giving all the full view of our resort in the morning. Okay, so this is the whole view. So talking about the weather, at night it was cold, a bit cold, and in the morning also when we woke up for the camel ride it was cold. Now that the sun is out, you all won't feel cold. It's nice, warm, not that also warm, but okay, you all won't feel cold. And well, now we are done having our breakfast, and now the time for checkout is 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. in the morning. So we'll get ready and then pack our stuff and then move from here to go back to Jaisalmer. So let's go.
हो मारो जला लो बिला लो, मारो मारो मत वालो, मारो केसरियो बलम गरी.
So at the moment we are here at a stop, like at a spot. It's like for
6 kilometers.
It will be on your way to some sand dunes, and they do paramotoring and all over here. So we are just going to check it out. No, God knows if we'll do it or no.
बादीला डोला रे हो, बादीला डोला रे ओ, मैं तो डागलिए चढ़ी जाऊं, बादीला डोला रे ओ, मैं तो डागलिए चढ़ी जाऊं, मैं डागलिए चढ़ जाऊं, मैं डागलिए चढ़ जाऊं, धनरी बाटड़ी बाटड़ी रे बेररी.
So we have now reached here at the Kuldhaka village. Okay, so that is where we have to go to see the ruins of the village, and this here is the whole parking for the vehicles. and right here there are some stalls for snacks and all. So now let's go inside and see the ruins. So this here is the Kuldhara village. Okay, this is just a part of the village. Okay, so this part what you all are seeing ahead is actually constructed again. Okay, just to make it look a bit good. Rest all you all can see is ruined. So this portion is the only portion which is like renovated. Okay, so that people can click some good pictures and all. So I'll just show you the ruined part. So now this what you all are seeing is the actual ruins of the Kuldhara village. Okay, this is it. So only the walls, like some portions of the walls are intact, rest all has fallen. So let's go a bit ahead and see.
नाम सुना कुलधरा?
हाँ,
कुलधारा,
कुलधारा।
हाँ।
उसी की ही कहर से वो खाली हुआ था एक रात के अंदर 84 गांव थे परिवार थे।
मैंने तो सुना उसमें को कहते हैं कि किसी राजा की गंदी नियत हो गई थी और किसी
राजा
लड़की
की
को
नहीं
देखे
थी, मैं जो बता रहा हूँ
दीवान की
उसकी मैं बता रहा हूँ उसी की।
ओ जो अभी दीवान
था, उसका नाम था सालम सिंह।
हाँ, सालिम सिंह
था।
हाँ।
वो
उससे बचने के लिए वो सब गांव वाले चले गए।
नहीं, वो क्या है कि जब वो घोड़सवारी पे जाता था, जब भी कभी भी आक्रमण होता था, राजा से पहले वो पहुंच जाता। भगवान ने उसको शक्तियाँ दी थी पहले से ही, उसके इतने तो पावर। हर एक इंसान को कोई कहते हैं अलग अलग है। कोई वहाँ पे गए, देखा लड़की, देखा किसी ने कान भर दिए, उनकी लड़की जवान है तो वो शादी करके, मतलब कहते ना ये घास फूस जला के वहाँ शादी कर दी। वो कहा आज अपने साथ अत्याचार हो गया, कल इनके साथ होगा, कल इनके साथ, आपकी बेटी के साथ होगा, अब क्या करें। तो अपन ये नहीं होगा, अपनी जान सिर्फ सब भरा हुआ सामान गहना वगैरह सब गाय वगैरह वहाँ छोड़ के एक रात के अंदर वहाँ से प्लान हो गया। अलग अलग धारणा है, कोई क्या कहता है, कोई क्या कहता है। हम नए नौकर लोगों से यही सुना है। कोई कहता है कि पानी की कमी से भाग गए,
सब कहते हैं भूतिया गाँव है,
कोई कहते हैं भूतिया गाँव है।
So this village is actually haunted not because someone died here or anything. It's because all the villagers who left their homes which were there here and went to other places, it's said that even after going to a different place, their souls never rested and their souls were like, their soul and heart was always there in this village. So after dying, it's said that their souls came and are now here. So because of that, it's said to be a haunted village. So if you visit here at night, of course you will find the place a bit creepy and scary. Well, if you come in the days, daytime, it's nothing like that. It's just like you are seeing something abandoned, some broken walls. It looks like that, just like normal. Okay, so that is there. And it seems that in Kuldhara there were like 84 villages, and people of all these 84 villages went away, like they left their homes overnight due to one person, Salim Singh, who was one of the ministers of the king of Jaisalmer. So he was the main reason actually why everybody evacuated. So I'll show you all a bit more of the shots of these ruins, and then we'll continue our journey back to Jaisalmer. So the houses which I showed you, all right, the renovated ones, so it has been renovated just to give the people an idea of how the house used to be in that time, in those years. So like they have constructed 2-3 houses like that. So what they have done is just made the walls and all, like renovated the walls and all. Inside it's all old only. So if you all will go in one of the houses which is renovated, you will see that it's still a ruined house only. So that is there. So I just visited one of the houses which was renovated, and they have also renovated the temple which used to be here. So now I'll visit the temple and then I'll exit the site.